Welcome to our channel 5 Men Garden Pro, where we provide you with expert tips and tricks on how to transform your backyard into a beautiful oasis. And this video, we are going to show you how to create your own backyard landscape design, even if you have zero experience. Assess your space before you start designing your backyard landscape. It's important to assess your space. Take note of the shape and size of your yard, any exciting features, and areas that receive more sunlight or shade. Determine your budget. Once you have assessed your space, it's time to determine your budget. This will help you prioritize the features you want to include and your backyard landscape design. Gather inspiration before you start designing. It's helpful to gather inspiration, browse online, flip through magazines, or take a stroll through your neighborhood to see what others have done with their backyard landscapes. Create a rough sketch now that you have assessed your space, determine your budget, and gathered inspiration. It's time to create a rough sketch of your backyard landscape design. This doesn't have to be perfect, but it should give you a general idea of what you want your backyard to look like. Choose your plants. Choosing the right plants is key to a successful backyard landscape design. Make sure to choose plants that are suited to your climate and soil type and that will thrive and the amount of sunlight or shade your yard receives. Add features. Once you have chosen your plants, it's time to add features to your backyard landscape design. This could include anything from a patio or deck to a water feature or fire pit. Finalize your design. Once you have added all the features you want and your backyard landscape design, it's time to finalize your design. Make any necessary adjustments and then move on to the final step. Bring your design to life now that you have finalized your design. It's time to bring it to life. This may involve hiring a landscaper, or it may be something you can do yourself with a little elbow grease. Congratulations! You have just learned how to create your own backyard landscape design. Even if you have zero experience, we hope this video has been helpful and we can't wait to see the beautiful backyard landscape design you create. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more expert tips and tricks on home improvement.